Deer are some of the most gentle and graceful animals in the wild. They are known for their beauty, speed, and quiet nature. Found in forests, meadows, and mountains, deer have adapted to live in many parts of the world. Their soft eyes, slender legs, and majestic antlers make them one of the most admired animals in nature. Deer live in many different habitats, including forests, grasslands, and even mountainous regions. They are herbivores, which means they eat only plants. Their diet includes grass, leaves, twigs, and fruits. Deer are constantly on the move, searching for fresh food. In winter, when food is scarce, they eat bark and fallen branches to survive. Deer are found in many parts of the world, each species adapted to its environment. The red deer is one of the largest species, common in Europe and Asia. The white-tailed deer, recognized by the white underside of its tail, is widespread in North and South America. In colder regions, such as the Arctic, reindeer or caribou survive harsh winters with their thick fur and wide hooves for walking on snow. One of the most fascinating features of deer is their antlers. Only male deer, called bucks, grow antlers. These antlers are made of bone and can grow back every year. Deer shed their antlers in the winter and grow new ones in the spring. Antlers are used for fighting other males during the breeding season to win mates. In some species, like the reindeer, both males and females grow antlers. This helps reindeer dig through snow to find food during the winter months. Antlers grow very quickly up to an inch to 0.5 centimeters per day in some species, making them one of the fastest growing bones in the animal kingdom. Deer are very fast and agile animals. They can run at speeds of up to 40 miles per hour, 65 kilometers per hour to escape predators like wolves, bears, and big cats. They also have excellent hearing and a strong sense of smell, which help them detect danger. Their large, sensitive ears can move in different directions to pick up the smallest sounds. Some deer species, like the mule deer, are known for their impressive leaping ability. They can jump distances of up to 15 feet for 0.5 meters in a single bound, helping them quickly escape predators or cross obstacles such as fallen logs, streams, and rugged terrain. Deer are social animals and often live in groups called herds. Living in a herd helps them stay safe because they can watch for predators together. Female deer, called does, take care of the young, known as fawns. A fawn is born with white spots on its coat, which help it blend into the forest floor and stay hidden from predators. Fawns grow quickly and can stand within a few hours of birth. By the time they are a few weeks old, they can follow their mothers closely. The white spots on their coat fade as they grow older, and therefore takes on the color of adult deer to better camouflage them in their surroundings. Fawns are born in the spring and are usually able to stand and walk within a few hours of birth. For the first few weeks, the mother leaves the fawn hidden in tall grass or bushes while she searches for food. Fawns stay close to their mothers until they are old enough to join the herd. Deer are excellent swimmers. When threatened, some deer will escape predators by running into lakes or rivers and swimming to safety. Their powerful legs allow them to move efficiently through water. Deer are very important to the ecosystem. As herbivores, they help shape the environment by eating plants and spreading seeds through their droppings. Deer also provide food for predators keeping the natural balance in check. In forests, deer help control plant growth by grazing on leaves and twigs. This allows sunlight to reach smaller plants on the forest floor, promoting biodiversity. However, when deer populations grow too large, they can overgraze, which harms plants and other animals that rely on them. Deer have also been a part of human culture for thousands of years. They appear in art, stories, and myths from many cultures around the world. In some cultures, deer are symbols of peace, kindness, and natural beauty. They remind us of the quiet and gentle side of nature. For example, in Native American legends, deer are often seen as sacred animals that bring messages of peace and balance. In European folklore, deer are associated with forests and the magic of the natural world. Deer are amazing creatures that have adapted to survive in many environments. Whether running through forests, grazing in meadows, or caring for their young, deer represent the beauty and grace of the natural world. The next time you see a deer, take a moment to admire its elegance and quiet strength. Here's an interesting fact. Deer have an extraordinary ability to see in low light. Their large eyes are adapted to detect movement during dawn and dusk, which is when they are most active. This gives them an advantage when avoiding predators.